guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna try my best to vlog this weekend. We don't have much going on. I do have to go run some errands today, but I sent my husband to Bath and Body Works because it's Black Friday and I was hoping they had some good sales. They did for the hand soaps. We need more wall plug-ins. They're not on sale. I think they were on sale like 2 weeks ago. So they're not on sale this weekend, so I'm gonna have to wait. But I'm gonna show you the hand soaps that he got. My husband got 11 hand soaps. So one of the ones he got was the Sweater Weather, which is actually one of my absolute favorite ones. I told him to pick whichever one he wants. I really don't have like a particular ones I wanted. Coconut Mint Drop, some Snowy Peach Berry, Twisted Peppermint. This one's Toasted Vanilla Chai. Another Sweater Weather. Yay! I love that one. Winter, that one smells really good. Another Twisted Peppermint, some fresh sparkling snow, some iced cinnamon rolls, which I have this one in a half bathroom right now. It smells so good. And cranberry peach. So I actually prefer to get the foaming hand soap because when I get the regular liquid one, you guys, my kids waste so much of it and it's always on the countertops and in the sink. So I prefer foam. It's a lot less of a mess. Plus these smell amazing, but I only get them when they are on sale. Plus we always use a coupon and I always get a free item. But I'm waiting for the plug-in ones. Oh, she just appeared out of nowhere. What up, girl?
I'm good.
So I'm getting ready to do her hair now real quick. Ever seen belts at the Dollar Tree? Look at that. This is super cute. Let me see. Hey, look at these. I used to eat these little tiny sandwiches back in the day. They have a bunch of stuff for stocking stuffers. Let me see. This is cute. Go to Dollar Tree. Just y'all, fun fact, I haven't been in Dollar Tree in like 2 months. Oh, Destiny will like this. Let me see. Look at that. She will actually like. She likes little stuff like that. Let me see. Little crafts. Let's see. And there's only 2 colors. I don't need neither one of those. What's up, baby girl? I knew it. I told y'all. That's what she wanted. Look, the little animal thing. Go ahead, get it, girl.
Yay, thanks, Mommy.
I knew it. She liked little stuff like that. Look, they have dollhouse furniture.
Even little toilets and bathtubs. This one actually opens.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's the problem. They need to get that fixed.
Yeah. Oh, look, a microphone. This is perfect for the stocking stuffers. No, you're not gonna get it though.
Hello, guys. Oh.
Look, snack. My son Devin's like the baking king. What are you doing with that?
A bathtub. Doll's bathtub.
So they got a bunch of stuff here, guys.
Yay. Oh, I forgot to
For cards, Dollar Tree has some really pretty cards here. I love cards, you guys. Let me see. Look at this. Stuff like this is like she likes. Oh Lord, that's an iron?
Yeah.
Oh Lord.
That Mod Podge's in the wrong spot.
Yeah. Oh, how you know, sir? You guys, this is just the kind of stuff I was looking for.
Breakfast stuff.
Yeah. Do they have more?
One dog.
They have
Food
the.
stuff.
Yeah, they have a dog. And then it's that one. I used to think they used to have a baby, but I used to watch other people's Dollar Tree hauls. They had different stuff in them.
I like them.
You like that one? You want to show the outfit of the day?
Yes. So I have this cute jacket, and it came with this cute shirt, and then I have these boots and black pants, and then a little bow.
There you go, girl. Her masks were dirty, so I let her use one of mine, which is a little big.
Yeah, and it's very hot.
I gotta wash. I gotta wash hers, which you already know I will be doing some laundry stuff that Dollar Tree has. This is pretty.
This is
See?
pretty. I like the blue and teal and white ones, and I like all of them.
Yeah.
And all the cute little dinosaurs.
That is cute.
Let
me see.
guess. It's cute.
David, don't be a hater.
He
Okay.
said that all girls call things everything cute.
Oh, they do?
Cute. That's
Let's see. They even have these. It looks like right done. Oh, you guys, I found some ribbon. I wonder if these are wired ribbon. Those are so much easier to work with. John, look, lemon ribbon.
They have another one. They have a bunch of lemon ones.
I don't need no more ribbon, y'all. Like, I literally.
Have a lot.
Oh, thank you for telling me. So, thank you, girl. I had a lot. I need to see this ribbon. It's so pretty. I wish it was wired. It's a unicorn.
I see more unicorn one. I see the same one right there.
Yeah, it's like
Right there.
unicorns and I don't even know what I need this for.
I'm not asking for it. It's like we watched the movie last year.
Oh, it was so good too.
Yeah.
No, it was in last year. I think it was in February, March.
February or March.
Hi,
We
Devin.
watched it with popcorn and we ate it.
Yeah.
And I had eggnog with mine. Just
Yeah.
kidding, because there was no eggnog.
Look, it's a Charlie Brown. We love Charlie Brown. You can get that. I like that one.
I got 3 things.
That's cute. I would like to know what you're doing.
Grabbing all the ones I don't have.
Excuse me.
wouldn't that be the entire thing?
Yeah.
So my husband is inside paying for the stuff. I'd rather bring the kids to the car while he's paying because they're kind of rowdy. Y'all remember when we went to the pumpkin patch? We got those, we went to Krispy Kreme and we got the Halloween dozen. Well, Krispy Kreme now has the holiday dozen and we about to get us some of those.
Wait, what?
Wait, what? Wait, what?
Yay, we won.
All 3 of them are sitting in the 3rd row, you guys. They just have to sit together. Why?
Because
I don't want them to sit with me.
Huh?
Because of the RB battles episode.
I don't want them to sit with me.
Devin always sits in the 3rd row by himself because he says his 2 younger siblings are always fighting, so he likes to be apart from them, right? Sorry, I'm pinning the camera. So he likes to be by himself. Well, they made their way to the back seat with him. I'm sorry, Devin. But we're about to get some donuts. I'll show you guys the donuts and hopefully you guys try them. It is misting, it is cloudy, it is rainy. The kids are sneezy. So, oh, somebody jamming next door. It's a holiday dozen. It should have that. Yep, I can see hers right there. You're so pretty. Holiday dozen.
Yeah, I gotta get the, they don't like they minis.
No, they have regular ones.
Let me get the holiday dozen.
You want the holiday dozen?
Yeah.
I hope they got some. Oh, they never do. How many do they have?
How many you got?
We only have the half of them.
Half a dozen? Can we get half a dozen?
Yeah, we'll get the half a dozen and then just do the rest of them. Which one, Phil?
Yeah, we can do filled.
Let me do the rest of them lemon filled.
You want half the whole deal?
Yeah.
I got the stuff for one.
Alright.
Do we have to get the lemon filled one?
Half of them was gonna be the holiday ones. You guys, if you don't go early, they run out fast. So half of these are the, well, she pretty much said that because it's so early on, the more people buy them, the more they will start making more of these. So she said she's gonna get some more, but it's what they look like. So we are now home, you guys, and this is exactly what I'm doing. I was looking forward to coming right back to the house. And right now I'm watching Lifetime Christmas movies. I watch both Hallmark and Lifetime, but I will have to say this year Lifetime has done it. Y'all, this is Toni Braxton. It's called Everyday Christmas, but I'm waiting for the Kelly Rowland movie. It's gonna start at 6 p.m. and it's called Merry Little Christmas, and y'all know they're gonna do a repeat, so if you don't catch it, make sure you catch it. I'm pretty sure, well, I guess it's 2 movies, you know, there's part 1 and part 2. So Merry Little Christmas is part 1, which starts at 6, and then Merry Little Christmas Wedding starts at 8. So I'm looking forward to that. So that's exactly what I'll be doing today, you guys. So just relaxing by my Christmas tree. Look, y'all, she's been playing with the little toys that came from Dollar Tree. They're like the little Barbie sets. I think it's so cute. What is that? Eggs and star-shaped waffles.
And it has a little bit of butter on it. And then
she loves Barbies.
And then I have...
Oh, is that honey? Wait, I think that's honey. Hold on a second. Can you stop moving?
I have one of those.
Oh, that is so cool. Look, a little thing of honey.
I have another one. And then... Mama, look, there's actually water in it.
Oh, wow, that's so cool.
Pretend water. It's like this blue line, but there's actually nothing in it. And then there's a cute little cup, and then she's gonna eat it.
Oh, yeah?
Because she's so hungry, and she didn't eat any breakfast.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna show my doll eating, and I named her Emily. So she wants to eat the eggs. So cute, they painted the eggs on.
You can see.
Let me focus the camera. Some cute little eggs, and then she's gonna eat that. She's all done with her eggs. Like, there's nothing on there. And so she wants to eat, well, she wants something to drink, so she's going to drink her water. So I'm gonna pour some for Emily. And Emily is my friend.
Oh, okay.
She wanted to eat in my house. And there's like this little line in there that looks like there's actually water, but there isn't. And then when you look inside, there's nothing in there.
Pretty cool.
So I poured some, and it says B for Barbie. So she's gonna drink some of that. Hi! She's saying hi.
Hi guys, good morning. It's the next day, and guess who is back? Broston and Cherry. So my kids have been looking for them, you guys. They haven't been here the past few days. They were running a little late, but they are here. Are you happy they're here? Hi guys, so we are heading off to church soon. The kids are still getting ready, so it's my husband. I always get myself ready first, and then I gotta push everybody else to get ready in a timely manner. So one thing you guys don't know about me, or maybe some of you do, who knows? I don't even know if I mentioned this before. Every Sunday, I serve in the church nursery. So I get to love on babies and hold babies and change diapers and stuff, and then I get to give them back to their parents. But I love taking care of babies. Would I have any more kids? No. Hi guys, we are now back from church. I am tired. I'm so tired. I kind of went to sleep a little later than usual. I was watching some Christmas movie last night. I think I went to sleep like 11:30 at night. And then I woke up at 6:30 this morning. But I'm tired. It's like 2:30ish. I feel like I need a nap. But I have stuff to do. My husband's getting ready to go to Aldi and to get some milk, and then my favorite coffee creamer, the coconut cream one. So I'm almost out, so he's gonna go get that, and maybe an advent calendar if they have that. So I also have 7 orders to work on. Luckily 2 of them are wreaths, so those are already made and ready to ship out. We're just gonna have to box those up. Let me see what else. And then the rest are rolling pins, which means I have to do some painting and stuff and do the letters for the rolling pins, so that like that I can have them shipped out tomorrow. Now tomorrow is Monday. Hopefully I should have this vlog up tomorrow, but y'all, the kids start school back up tomorrow, so they're still doing virtual learning right now. So just, you know, after having a whole week of not having to wake up super early and do the whole virtual learning thing. It felt really good. Everything starts back up tomorrow again. So we got virtual learning. I gotta get those orders shipped out, and then I also have to film a cleaning video over on my main channel as well. So just the thought of all the things I gotta do is like, ooh, a little overwhelming, but I know I could get it done. It's just like, it's busy week. My Mondays are always busy, which I'll get it done some way or another. But I wonder if it's okay if I take like a 30-minute nap. I think I'll do that. Hi guys, again, I did not take a nap. I have been working on some rolling pins. So I just figured out, I don't even know why I didn't know this, that you can pretty much schedule for the postman to come and pick up the packages for you. You don't have to, because they're pre-bought, I guess, the shipping labels. So they're already paid for, so they just come to your front door and pick them up. Cause I don't know why I didn't know that. So I just scheduled for it to be picked up tomorrow. I don't know why that makes me happy, but it does. That's something I don't have to do. So I have been painting. I have been working on these rolling pins. Now I gotta do the labels for the, not the labels, I just did those. The ribbon, sorry. And I'm gonna finish painting those. And then I gotta package up the wreaths. I'm trying to make it easy as possible where everything is laid out and ready to ship, because I have to wake up at 6 in the morning to have that ready. So I'll be doing that. Let me show you these thank you cards, because with all of my orders, I have thank you cards with every one of them. I love cards. I love sending thank you cards with all of my, but look at these. Isn't this cute? So it's glittery and everything. You can't really tell. I don't know if you can. The camera won't focus, you guys, I'm sorry. And this is another one that is with a little red truck. So I will be doing the thank you cards and everything tonight. So when virtual learning and stuff starts back up tomorrow, I'm good to go. And I also have to film. Pray for me, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm pretty much done as far as the orders. I already did the cards and I have them labeled right here. Plus I have the wreaths. My husband's getting ready to help me package them up, but then I'm finished. I'm exhausted, you guys. I'm so tired, and I'm going to sleep early tonight. So I'm getting ready to go take a shower. I will close out this vlog. I almost forgot to close it out, but I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next vlogs, guys. Bye.